Hello everybody, welcome to Convolution Educare YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some more methods about the string methods about the Python. So here actually in this class we are just going to discuss few functions about this, Python methods. If you want to know the details about the Pythons and all these things as a very good language, so if you want to learn in detail, you can contact or now contact number which is mentioned in our YouTube channel for further details. Today we are going to continue with the string methods in Python. So here today actually what we are going to do, we are going to learn some more string related methods in Python and their application with some code snippet. So see, we'll see something called justify method. It's also a very important one. And now what is the significance of this justify? We'll explain it or we'll learn this one with the help of some code snippet. So here what I've done actually str1 equal to Mohit space Raj. str1 is what? str1 is a variable. I'm assigning a value like Mohit Raj. Between Mohit and Raj there's a space. Then I'm saying str1 dot ljust. Ljust is what? Ljust is a function. Then inside the bracket I'm saying what? 15 comma hash. And remember hash is within the double quote. Now what is the significance of this hash? Now see, if you look at the output, what we are getting Mohit Raj. And along with that, we are getting some different hashes like that. So let us count this one. So how many characters are there? We have to include the hash also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if you see the output, total number of space is what? 15. So in the ljust, in the ljust function, first I said 15. So this 15 means what? I want exact 15 different space, 15 different blocks, where I'm going to store some information. What information? The value stored in str1. In str1, what are the things are there? Mohit space Raj is there. Okay. So we are as an in the output, what happened? We are getting Mohit space Raj. So this Mohit space Raj is including how many characters? Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this Mohit space Raj is carrying what? Total 9 characters. But I'm having how many blocks? I'm having 15 blocks. So rest blocks I am going to fill up with hash. This is the thing actually I am saying in the ljust function. So my output is like this. So in the left hand side, first of all I am going to display Mohit space Raj. Then after the Mohit space Raj, the next rest of the fields, rest of the blocks are going to be filled up with the help of this particular hash sign. So this is the significance of ljust. Now along with the ljust, similarly ljust we are having something called adjust. Now what is the difference? See, in this case, this actual thing Mohit Raj will be in the right hand side, and rest spaces are supposed to be before Mohit Raj. Whatever spaces we have, whatever blocks, 3 blocks we have, these are the things we are going to cover with the help of hash sign. So this is the significance of adjust. This is the difference between ljust and adjust function. I hope it's clear to you. So let us see one more thing. Look at this. Further continuing with this justify method, let us take another example. Like I said, what str2 equal to Vaskar space Narayan space dash. Then I said str2 dot ljust 15. Then I said hash. But point to be noted, see there is no hash. Why? Because ultimately what maximum how many blocks I am going to occupy? 15. Let us count. This Vaskar space Narayan space dash is carrying how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So see, actually in this case, what I am saying, see, I said 15. But see, so actually in this case, what? This total thing is carrying what? 19 characters. So we are not going to fill up with any extra characters. This Vaskar Narayan Das is already carrying more than 15 characters. So we are not going to fill up any extra. So we are not finding any extra space. So how can I fill up with hash? So we are not going to fill up anything with hash. So this is also a very important example I am sharing with you. So this is where what we have seen. We have seen the use of justify method. So let us see another function or method like replace. Now in this case, what is happening? Like another variable I am declaring like str1, and I am saying time space is great space and space time is space is then again space, then I said money. Now what I am saying, str1 dot replace. Then the replace, what happened? We are passing two things. I am saying what is comma was. So here what is happening? I am replacing is with what. So look at my output. Time was, see this is point to be noted. See this is being replaced by was. Then great and time. Again is we are getting. This is being replaced by was. So ultimately my output is like this. Time was great and time was money. So this way what I've done, I just replaced is with was. So this replace method is going to replace whenever it's finding any is there. So it's going to replace it with was. And my output, final output is like this. Next, see, I'm sharing another example like this. str1 dot replace is comma was comma 1. Now what is the significance of this 1? See, in this case, what happened if you look at the first example where every is being replaced by was. But in this case, if you notice, only the first is going to be replaced. Okay, look at this. This is being replaced by was, because I said what? 1. 1 means only it will replace the first occurrence of is with was. So this way we can also specify how many is you are going to replace with was with the help of this particular example we have learned. So this is also a very important function which you have learned in Python, which is replace function. Next, another function we are going to use this join function, the join method. What is the significance of this? Name. I said what? Mohit space Raj. Sorry, Mohit then Raj. Two elements are there. What I want to make them. I want to join them. So my output is like this: Mohit space Raj. See, there's a space. Why? Because in this case I said what? Double inverted comma. I have opened. I have given a space. Then I have closed double inverted comma. So this means I will join two different words, but in, like between these two words there must be a space. That's why I said this one. Look at the other example. Here if you notice there is no space, because look at this. In this case there is no space. Just I open double inverted comma, open and then close. I have not given any space. So I am not getting any space over here also. Look at this one. I said what? Hyphen. So look at my output. Mohit hyphen Raj. Because I said what? You join these two words. And like between these two words, you fill up with a hyphen. So I said hyphen. So this way, what you have seen? Another method, very important method, we have seen something called join method or join function in Python. So these are the like string functions or methods we have discussed today. Hope you have understood this everything and you have enjoyed this class also. Thank you.